vision of this training center resonates far beyond our borders, as we are potentially taking the first step toward nurturing a skilled workforce that can propel our nation to the forefront of technical training and mineral value addition on the continent.
It's always good to be back to the campus of the George Grant University of Mines and Technology. We're met here today to undertake a very important activity. It has the capacity to enhance even further the potential of our mining sector for the benefit of all Ghanaians. And that is to cut the sword with the commencement of construction Minerals Income Investment Fund MIIF Technical Training Center to be sited at this university.
Thank you for believing in us, and to all invited guests for making time to join us in this groundbreaking endeavor. We say thank you, and God bless us all. Thank you.